Hi, today we're going to be taking a walk around our Texas Pride 16,000-pound Gooseneck power tilt trailer. Now this model is available in 25 feet to 30 feet in length, and the width of the deck is going to be 102 inches overall, outside to outside. Now starting here in the front, we have a 4-hole adjustable gooseneck coupler that allows you to evenly adjust the hitch height of your trailer to your vehicle to ensure that your trailer rides level while going down the road. Now behind the coupler, we have a heavy 12-inch I-beam neck and uprights with reinforced gussets. Every Texas Pride trailer requires all DOT safety equipment, such as heavy-duty safety chains, emergency breakaway switch with long-lasting battery, and more reflective tape than you'll find on most other trailers. This trailer also comes standard with a 7-way electrical plug, and all the wiring on the trailer is modular and sealed to ensure years of trouble-free use. Now built in between the front uprights, you'll find the heavy gauge diamond plate locking toolbox for storing your chains, straps, and other items. Now on the outside of the uprights, there are dual 12,000-pound heavy-duty drop leg jacks with spring return. Almost all our Gooseneck trailers feature dual jacks for more stability and lifting power. On the back of the neck, here's what's known as the headache rack, which protects loads from shifting forward and features handles for use with side steps located on both sides of the trailer. This makes for easier and safer access to the deck. Now moving back, we have a heavy 12-inch I-beam mainframe and an 8-inch I-beam bed frame. The cross members are 3-inch channel on 16-inch centers. Many other trailers this size use a lighter angle iron for the cross members and place them on wider spacing. The decking is pressure-treated lumber and is fully screwed down to the cross members. There's also an option for diamond-plated steel deck. The outer deck frame is 6-inch channel with stake pockets and heavy-gauge rub rail for securing your load from any part of the trailer. Underneath the deck, there's a scissor hoist to tilt the bed for easy loading. There's also a second mounted lockable toolbox that houses the high-capacity marine-grade battery, which powers the electric over-hydraulic pump and is controlled by a 15-foot corded remote. Now one main feature of our pumps is that they are power up and power down. What this means is that the pump uses the battery instead of gravity to make the bed come down. This is important in cold climates and in the winter season. Without this feature, your deck can get stuck in the up position when the hydraulic fluid gets below optimal temperatures. Now here on the side of the toolbox, we have an onboard battery tester and charger. It allows you to push a button to see the status of the battery. If it's low, you simply lift the flap and connect a standard 110-volt extension cord into the charging port to have a full charge by the next morning. Note that we use an 8-amp charger rather than the 3.5-amp chargers often used on many other trailers. This means a much faster charge time. For running gear, this trailer has heavy-duty 8,000-pound axles and suspension, which includes 2-inch wide brakes on all 4 wheels for maximum stopping power under load. Now one highly important standard feature on these axles is the convenient built-in lubrication system. To fill or top off the central grease reservoirs, you simply pop the hub center cap off and fit a grease gun over the Zerk fitting and fill. Simple and convenient. This trailer rolls on 4 16-inch premium radial 14-ply tires, mounted on 8-hole high-grade steel wheels. You also have the option for a mounted spare tire and wheel that is recessed from the top of the gooseneck. It's out of the way, yet easily accessible. As we walk to the back of the trailer, we come to the tapered tail section of the tilt deck. The last 4 feet of the deck usually sees a lot of hard use when loading and unloading equipment. So we put on heavy gauge diamond plate flooring on the back for longer deck life, better traction. The paint and finish on the trailer are nothing less than impressive. The process starts with a full media blasting to remove any surface rust or scale. Then each trailer is fully primed top to bottom in preparation for 2 top coats of automotive grade acrylic enamel paint, all of which is done in our new state-of-the-art paint facility. This ensures you have a protective, durable, and shiny finish for years to come. The last thing we want to mention is that lifetime LED lighting is standard for all Texas Pride models, and all lighting is either recessed or steel encased to protect them from accidents and the elements. Once again, thanks for taking the time to look at our Texas Pride 16,000-pound Gooseneck power tilt trailer.